Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable inline editing in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need to go to setup and simply by clicking on this button, we click on setup. And after that, we need just to search for our user interface settings. So just type user, and from there we will need just to find the user interface settings. So here we can find the user interface, and after that we can find all these settings. So one of the settings are the inline editing. So we need just to search for user interface, and from here we need to search for inline editing. As you can see, we can just disable it by clicking on here and make sure that is unchecked. And after that, we need just to go down and save our settings. So you will need just to click on save, and you will have your inline editing that will be disabled. So then you will need just if you still the problem persists, you can for example go to filter any list by record type for inline edits in terms like if you have created some record types in your object, you will have that the inline editing that wants to be disabled, so you will need just to filter the list by record type so you can have it disabled according to this user interface settings. So simply those are the steps how to disable the inline editing in Salesforce. So thank you for watching and see you next time.